Have you ever seen a pit crew at work? It's a pretty cool thing. Think about it, a car comes in and in just a few seconds, bam, it's got 4 new tires, it's been gassed up and it's back to 185 miles per hour. Wouldn't you like to be that fast and precise when you're building your next killer PowerPoint? Hi, I'm Michael Teal, and in this episode we're going to talk about how to set up your office space for speed and precision. So let's get started. In this episode we have 3 tips for your office setup, and the first one is this: get a big monitor. I get it, listen, monitors cost money, but here's a little tip if you need to convince the boss. Research shows that workers are 52% more productive with larger screen real estate. Believe me, when we're building slides, everything's better. Number 1, you get a better view of your screen real estate, and I'll be showing you tips and strategies on how you need to use the off-stage area, so that gray area outside of your slide deck, as well as the on-stage area. Everything just works better with a large monitor. Tip number 2, ditch the trackpad and get yourself a high-quality mouse and keyboard. Once you've used these items, working off a trackpad feels like putting mittens on your hands. And tip number 3, if you want to thrive, get Office 365. And no, I'm not endorsed by Microsoft yet. I've got to give credit where credit's due. Office 365 has really stepped up its game. It's banished clip art, it's put in some great icon sets, and more importantly, it has some new transitions such as the morph transition that will give you almost Hollywood level graphic capabilities. Your tips for the day: get a great monitor, precise tools, and subscribe to Office 365. Hey, if you found this valuable, feel free to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell a friend about PowerPoint Pro Moves. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more PowerPoint Pro Moves.